Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. This very spacious 3 bedrooms, 4 bathroom house located in Ironshore Crescent, Coral Gardens, Montego Bay. This is a very well sought after community in western Jamaica. Sitting on over half acre are 22,637 square feet of land. This property is a very rare gem, featuring a well maintained and beautiful garden, fruit trees, remote access gate, and is well placed as it is just minutes away from major shopping, major medical facilities, airport, beaches, and other recreational excursion options. This home comes complete with high roofs, ceramic tiles, hardwood kitchen built-ins, very spacious ensuite rooms, open concept living and dining area, and practically flows as the layout is well thought out. Other features of this house includes garden area, ceiling fans, grilled, jetted bathtub, main level entry, fully fenced, family oriented, golf course nearby, private setting, recreation nearby, quiet area, landscaped, seniors oriented, road paved, level lot, and pets allowed. The asking price for this house is US 450,000 or Jamaican $69.7 million. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.